Swapping equations around, changing the subject. To change American temperature in degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, you need to use this equation. Yeah. So C is the Celsius, also called centigrade. C equals 5 over 9, open brackets, F minus 32. So if you've got 32 Fahrenheit, you take away 32, then times it by 5 over 9. 32 take away 32 is 0, times by 39. So when Fahrenheit is 32, 32 take away 22 is 0, times by 5 over 9 is still 0. When Fahrenheit is 32, centigrade is 0. Yeah, that's one of the points. 0 degrees centigrade, 32 Fahrenheit. It's when water turns into ice. Change this equation so that Fahrenheit can be got from degrees Celsius. We've got to change this equation around. At the moment, it's only useful for changing Fahrenheit into centigrade. We want to change the subject so that it has F equals. Now the first thing we've got to sort out is this 5 over 9. We need the opposite of 5 over 9. Just like 2 is the opposite of a half and 1/3 is the opposite of 3, the opposite of 5 over 9 is 9 over 5. So we times both sides by 9 over 5. There it is, times both sides by 9 over 5. 5 over 9 times 9 over 5 will give you 1. There we go. A half times 2 over 1 equals 1. 2 over 3 times 3 over 2 equals 1. 9 over 5 times 5 over 9 equals 1. Is that still okay? Now, there we go. So there's 5 times 9 is 45. 9 times 5 is 45. We end up with 45 divided by 45. 45 45s. 45 45ths. When we've done that, we're going to add 32. Okay. So 45 45ths is worth 1. Just like 3/3 is worth 1 and 2 halves is worth 1. 45 on the top and 45 on the bottom of an equation gives you 1. Times the tops times the bottoms when you're timesing fractions. 1 times F minus 32 will just give us, well, times something by 1, you get the same thing back. Just get F minus 32. Now these brackets are no longer useful. These brackets haven't got anything timesing by them, so we can actually just get rid of them. They're superfluous. 1 times a bracket, and that's the inside of the bracket, gives you the inside of the bracket back. At this point we don't need the brackets. So, oh, if I can slide it. 9 over 5c degrees centigrade equals, or Celsius, equals Fahrenheit minus 32. Still, we haven't got Fahrenheit on its own. Fahrenheit is not yet the subject of the formula. Moving down. Oh, there we go. We're going to add 32 to both sides of the equation. Oh, I've just found a mistake in my worksheet. 32. Oh, I'll put a bit of bubble there. Tell my wife to change that. Add 32 to one side, so you add 32 to the other side. There we go. There's just showing the add 32s putting on. Now, minus 32, add 32. They're going to get rid of one another. Why we've added 32 to both sides is just to move this 32 over to that side. Some people just move them across, not explaining why. I like to show why it works. Now we've got 9 over 5 Celsius plus 32 equals the temperature in Fahrenheit. Oh, when it's 0 Celsius, right, so we do 0 times 9 over 5, well, 0 times anything still equals 0. plus 32. So when 0 degrees C, the Fahrenheit is 32. It still works. Oh, I should put, I suppose, degrees Fahrenheit. Excellent. That's how to change the subject in algebra. If you like my videos, press like. If you double like my videos, press subscribe. Or if you're one of my students, that is. And there's my business card. I'm a teacher in the international schools in Hong Kong. I work at the Australian International. And also I've worked at Discovery College. And yeah, I tutor in the evenings. Mostly mid-levels. If you want my help, there's my card. You can find all my stuff on my Facebook page, Enlighten Education Limited. My name's Good Luck Gary. Good luck with your maths.